Hello, welcome back to my channel, and here we are again, another video on the ZX6R J2. I know it's been over a year since I've done anything on this. Unfortunately something happened last weekend, sort of forced me to do some work on the bike. Well, let's show you what happened. Bent that up, which is apparently they're designed to bend up. Scratched all my fairings, broke my right hand bracket there for the foot peg, and the brake pedal snapped. Ground away a lot of the exhaust bracket there, scratched it up here. Oh gosh, ribs are still hurting. I think I broke my ribs as well. Indicators ground down. There's a bit of damage here, there, end of the mirror. Screen smashed. All lights are scratched here. Somehow ended up with a dent on the tank. Not a clue how that happened. But also, rear subframe's bent, so I don't know if you can make out on here or not. Well, it just doesn't line up at the back anymore. So I bent over that way, if you like. So yeah, managed to ride it back. Got it in the garage, and yeah, over the last week or so I've been trying to source parts for it on eBay. I didn't at first realise that this subframe had bent. I'm hoping it's a subframe that's bent and not, you know, the main frame. If it's just a subframe, it'll be great. It'll be easy to fix. If it's the main frame, then it's the whole thing's scrap, isn't it? I'm not going through the insurance company, so I've not even told them about it for obvious reasons. Yeah, so I think it should be a nice easy fix. The essentials that I need to do, subframe, that bracket, screen, a few other bits and pieces, I think I can do for 116 quid, which is cheap, isn't it? And then to get it absolutely brilliant again, it's a little bit more, probably about 450 or something. I cannot find any of these panels on eBay, so I think it's repairable. Just take all the stickers off, rub it down, put a bit of filler on, and then respray it. I think that's the best option anyway for that. This is broken here as well. That is a previous repair from when I've dropped it a while ago, probably 2008 I think I dropped it. It's held out well until this accident, so I'll do another fix on that. I might get one of them what they call them, hot staples, staple that together, give that a respray. Again, there was one of these on eBay, but it was already damaged anyway. I think it's something like 170 quid. But I think I can fix it. What do you lot suggest? Tank, I'll probably try and pull that out with some dent repair tools, I'd imagine. You can actually see on here, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, a mark on the seat was never there before. It's like a friction burn or something. I think that is where it's hit the car in front or hit his tyre, and I'm hoping that has pushed that subframe that way. Really hoping it is that, and not the main bike frame. Yeah. As I was sliding down the road, I watched the bike get ahead, and I could see it hitting this car, and I'm pretty sure it was that hit. Like I say, it just happened so fast, and I've got no footage of it either, so I can't even replay it to see what went wrong. I think what happened was, I can't fully remember, which is crazy, isn't it, really? But I was going around a corner, not going too fast, about 40 mile an hour maximum perhaps, and I just touched my front brake, just honestly touched it so ever so slightly. There was some car stopped in front, and I was either on a grid or there was some oil on the road or something, I don't know, but that front end just slipped out so fast, and before I knew it I was sliding down on the side down the road. So yeah, at least I managed to walk away. Just a grazed arm and shoulder on the right hand side. Certainly broke a few ribs anyway, because they're absolute agony with them. I'm really struggling with them. But yeah, lucky, I think. Very lucky indeed, and also very lucky that it didn't hit anyone. Parts wise, what have we got? So I've already ordered quite a few bits and pieces. A subframe there, used obviously off eBay, 20 quid, which I think was a very good deal. It looks fairly straight, there's no damage on it. It's a bit grubbing. I think it seems to be a bit, the colour's a bit different to the one that's on, I don't know. But I'll get some spray anyway, and I'll the Kawasaki frame spray, and I'll spray it up the bits that you can see to match the existing. Brake pedal, what was that? I think it was 15 quid, again off eBay. A mirror, I can't remember, 22 quid, something like that, off eBay. I've also got the bracket to come, that's coming from somewhere in the Netherlands, the foot peg bracket, that was 50 quid delivered. A very expensive new, they're about £104 on eBay, brand new. So good to find that one in the Netherlands. There's an indicator coming, £16.99 I think off eBay. And I need to get another crash protector for the other side. I might have to buy a full set perhaps. I think they're about 100 quid. I've got the original screen from when I put that black one on, so I'll put that one on for the time being. Eventually I'll get another black one because I do like the black one. But I think the main thing to do is to start stripping it down. Certainly get the subframe off the back there, swap that one onto it and make sure it lines up. If that lines up and it's perfect again, then great, I'll carry on repairing anyway. So yeah, stay tuned, watch the rebuild. Any tips you can give me, certainly with the plastics and repairing them, that would be great. But yeah, we're back on the ZX6R J2. Hopefully we'll get it back looking mint again eventually. I'm really gutted that I've dropped it anyway. It's such a shame because it's looking absolutely brilliant. I mean, look how clean it is. But yeah, brill. Thanks for watching. And I'll get another video up very soon. I'm going to start stripping it down and putting it back together. But yeah, that's great. Thanks. If you've not done so already, please subscribe and give this video a like. That'd be great, much appreciated. Cheers. See you on the next one. Also, just for a little bit of fun, why don't you put in the comment section what you think total repair cost is going to be. I'll give you an idea of some of the parts I bought anyway, but what would you expect to pay to repair this bike?